31 is a fun card game where players race to make the highest scoring hand. To play the game, you'll need a standard deck of cards and 3 tokens, like poker chips, for each player. The game starts with players cutting for the deal. Whoever has the lowest card deals first. The dealer deals 3 cards face down to each player, then 3 cards face up in the middle for the window. The player to the dealer's left goes first. On a player's turn, they can exchange 1 card from their hand with one of the cards from the window. Play continues clockwise until one player thinks their hand can beat all of the other players' hands. Aces are worth 11 points, face cards are worth 10 points, and the rest of the cards are worth their face value. Only cards of the same suit can be added together. For example, if a player has an ace of diamonds, a king of diamonds, and a 3 of hearts, they have 21 points. If a player thinks they have the best hand, they knock on the table on their turn. Then the rest of the players get 1 more turn. Everyone reveals their cards, and the player with the lowest score loses one of their tokens. If a player has 31 points at any time during the game, they can knock immediately and every other player loses a life. When a player loses all of their lives, they're out of the game. Whoever is the last player in the game wins.